Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here, and this is day two, or should I say, yeah, this is day two of the Great California Blizzard of 2023. Uh, PG&E estimates they'll get electricity back on to us at 11 a.m. tomorrow. That's another 28 damn hours. Yeah. Already been more than 24. Yeah, I know, act of God and all that, but when it's safe, they'll get out and try and fix it. Hi. Hey, that sort of works. But I gotta look over here where it's blinding my hand. That's better. Hi. Yeah, it's the computer room. It's cold. Oh, these are your basic red long johns. I don't have the drop down flap. I have the, you know. But yes, I don't have to drop them to poop when it's cold. Of course, you got to be really careful then, because, you know, you get it on your long johns and you're out in the middle of nowhere and there's snow everywhere. Changing them long johns can be problematic. So, you know, you got to be careful. But on the other side, it's not like them two-piece long underwear that always separate right at your kidneys. I understand some people, they wear the one-piece longs with the two-piece longs over them, then wool pants, then the snowsuit. Uh, Pictures in the last video, I believe, show my wife and stepdaughter out playing in the snow. Yeah, I know. Not sort of thinly dressed, but this is Northern California, and we're not way up in the mountains. We're only at 1,200 foot. We don't get snow. Of course, snow level dropped to 500. I do imagine that Tamalpais, Mount Diablo, and Roberts area, Skyline Boulevard down there in the Bay Area, that got what?